some extra love in the air this week, and what better way to top it off with some sweet treats. Healthy treats, if I don't say. There are 2 recipes I'm going to show you that you could quickly whip up in your kitchen, and those require only 3 ingredients or less. One of them is raspberries filled with chocolate chips, and the other one is filled with pistachios and dried cranberries. These are very healthy and guilt-free. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so you're alerted for upcoming videos that I post every single week. If you want to see how I make these 2 simple sweet treat recipes for Valentine's Day week, please continue to watch. And now let's get cooking in the kitchen.
We're going to be using semi-sweet baking chocolate chips and dark baking chocolate chips. They are absolutely amazing because they're gluten-free, vegan, and even keto. For this recipe, we're going to add 2 cups of the semi-sweet chocolate and dark chocolate baking chips. To quickly melt this chocolate, microwave for 30-second increments. I did this about 3 times until the chocolate was smooth. You'll want to line parchment paper on a baking sheet. This is a great way to have an easy cleanup at the end. Next, you'll want to add about 1.5 cups of dried cranberries. Then you'll want to add about 1.5 cups of unshelled pistachios. I use the lightly salted kind to give the chocolate bark a sweet and salty taste. Now here's the fun part. We're going to add the melted chocolate all over the dried cranberries and pistachio mix. Now spread the chocolate all over the mix, and it may clump up a little bit as the chocolate will start to harden, so you'll have to spread it out evenly on the parchment paper as quick as you can. Make sure you put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes or so until hardened. This way you can break up the chocolate bark into bite-sized pieces. Our next guilt-free dessert only requires 2 ingredients. It's just pre-washed raspberries and semi-sweet chocolate chips. All you have to do is just add 1 or 2 chocolate chips inside the raspberry.
that require no baking at all. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, I would love to hear your comments down below. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time in Clarissa's Kitchen.